Introduction to AI assistants for scheduling.
AI assistants are designed to streamline your day by planning, tracking, and reminding you about tasks. By integrating seamlessly into your devices and apps, they help manage your calendar, set reminders, and prioritize activities. Learning how to leverage these tools effectively can save you time, reduce stress, and ensure you stay on top of your daily responsibilities.
Setting up your AI assistant.
Start by enabling your chosen AI assistant on your phone, tablet, or computer, connected to your email, calendars, and preferred task apps. This allows the assistant to access your schedules and notifications. Customize your preferences, such as preferred work hours or types of notifications, to ensure the assistant's suggestions align with your routine and lifestyle.
Adding and managing tasks.
Use voice commands or quick entries to add new tasks, appointments, or reminders into your AI assistant. You can specify details like time, location, or priority. The assistant can suggest optimal times and even prompt you to set aside focus blocks, preventing calendar conflicts and helping you balance work, errands, and personal time more effectively.
Daily planning and optimization.
Each morning, review your schedule with your AI assistant. It can highlight meetings, deadlines, and travel times. The assistant can suggest reorganizing tasks based on urgency or predicted traffic, reschedule overlapping events, and send timely reminders. This proactive planning approach helps increase your daily efficiency and reduces the chance of missing important commitments.
Ongoing tips for productivity.
Regularly update your preferences so your AI assistant adapts to changes in your routine. Use features like recurring reminders, voice notes, automated follow-ups. Reflect on your productivity each week, letting your assistant provide summaries or suggest improvements. By actively engaging with your assistant, you can continuously refine your time management and achieve your goals more easily.